Classification of solids. Based on internal atomic structure, the solids can be classified into two categories, namely crystalline and non-crystalline or amorphous solids. Crystalline solids or crystal. Crystals are those in which the constituent atoms or molecules are arranged in an orderly fashion throughout in a three-dimensional pattern. A crystal material will be in two forms, single crystal and polycrystal. Single crystal, in which the solid contains only one crystal. These single crystals are produced artificially from their vapor or liquid state. Polycrystal, which has an aggregate of many small crystals or grain separated by well-defined grain boundaries. These crystals will have a sharp melting point. Example for crystal solids: diamond, copper, platinum, silver, polonium, gold, aluminum, nickel, cadmium, iron, and etc. Amorphous solids or non-crystalline solid. In amorphous solids, inconstituent particles, that is atoms or molecules, are not arranged in an orderly fashion. In order way, we can show that the amorphous solid, the same atomic groups are arranged randomly in all directions. Examples for amorphous solids: plastics, rubber, and a glass. Crystallography, the study of geometric form and their physical properties of crystalline solids using X-rays or electron beam or neutron beam, etc. They termed as the science of crystallography. Fundamentals crystallographic terms. Lattice. Lattice is defined as an array of points which are imaginarily kept to represent the position of atoms in the crystal. It is an imaginary concept. Phase lattice or crystal lattice, a three-dimensional collection of points in space, are called phase lattice. Lattice points. Lattice points denote the position of atoms or molecules in the crystal. The points in the space lattice are called lattice points. Basis or motif. The basis or motif is an unit assembly of atoms or molecules which are identified with reference to the position of lattice points, identical in composition, arrangement, and orientation. Lattice planes, a set of parallel and equal spatial planes in a space lattice which are formed with respect to the lattice points, are called lattice planes. Unit cell. The unit cell is defined as the smallest geometrical figure, the translational repetitions of which in all over the three dimensionals gives the actual crystal structure. Primitive cell. A primitive cell is the smallest type of unit cell which contains only one lattice points per unit cell. Example: simple cubic. Non-primitive cell. If there are more than one lattice point in an unit cell, it is called a non-primitive cell. Example: body center cubic and face center cubic. Seven types of crystal systems. Crystals. Know that atom or molecules are arranged in the regular fashion is known as for crystal materials. So these crystal materials are arranged in the seven type of crystal systems: triclinic, monoclinic, orthorhombic, tetragonal, hexagonal, trigonal, and cubics. So These variety of crystal systems differentiate for the parameters. Parameter means for is the interaxial distance and interaxial angles. For example, like this is for axes, x-axis y direction as a y-axis and z direction. Like this directions value. This is any directions, x direction, y direction and z directions maybe. Okay, like this value is equal to this distance is known as for interaxial distance. Like this the lattice points. Interaxial distance is A, then B and C values. So here A, B, C, A and B and C is known as for interaxial distance. Okay. Otherwise, this angle for alpha. B to C is angle for alpha. Then C to A is angle for beta. This is angle for gamma values. Here alpha, then beta, then gamma is known as for interaxial angles. Okay. So now the 7 type of crystal system differentiate between these values. These are parameters. Okay. Now we discuss one by one what are the 7 type of crystals. So first of all we discussed number 1, so triclinic. Triclinic. Here is a interaxial distance, that is value for A not equal to B not equal to C values. Okay. So here the axial distance is not perpendicular to each other. Okay. Otherwise the angle, interaxial angles alpha is not equal to beta is not equal to gamma or not equal to 90 degree. Like this. So interaxial distance and interaxial angles not equal to another. That is known as for triclinic systems. Okay. So here are the values for triclinic. So like this value for A and B and C values. Did you understand? Like is A, then B and C value. So A distance not equal to B, B distance not equal to C. Did you understand? Otherwise the angle alpha, then beta, then gamma is not equal to 90 degrees. Okay. So now try the planes. So what are the type of planes? Here are these values. Like that. So this is value for the structure of triclinic. Like that interaxial distance A, B, C is not equal to another. Otherwise the angle alpha, beta, gamma is not equal to 90 degrees. So that system is known as for triclinic. Okay. So next go to the another systems. Monoclinic. This monoclinic is a by diffuse. The axial distance not equal to another. That means A not equal to B not equal to C. The axial distance. Otherwise the axial angles value for its value for alpha is equal to beta for 90 degrees. To understand. Then gamma not equal to 90 degrees. Here two axial angles are same for 90 degrees, the other one not equal to. Okay, so that system is known as for monoclinic. Okay, so the monoclinic structures also know that, like that, this is value for, it's value for A, then B and C values. A not equal to B not equal to C. Okay, otherwise the angles also, alpha is beta is the same for 90 degrees, gamma is not equal to 90 degrees. Understand? Like these crystal systems, you know. Understand? Like these systems always. So this structure is known as for monoclinic. So monoclinic, what are the conditions? A not equal to B not equal to C. Understand? So axial distance not perpendicular to each other, otherwise the angle is the two angles perpendicular to each other, not the third angle is not equal to other. Understand? That is valid for monoclinic systems. Understand? Like is the third one for orthorhombic. So the orthorhombic parameters A not equal to B not equal to C. Right, understand? The axial distance not equal to another. Understand? Not equal to another. Otherwise the angles also. Otherwise the angles alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. Understand? These angles also perpendicular to each other, but differentiate only for the axial distance. Understand? Now the structures is understand. Like this structure, its value for A not equal to B not equal to C. Otherwise the angle alpha then beta then gamma is equal to another's. Understand? Like this structure is known as for orthorhombic structures. Understand? Next, we'll go to another one topic. For example, number 4 is a tetragonals. Number 4. Tetragonals. So tetragonals, yeah, A equal to B equal to then not equal to C. It means A equal to B not equal to C. That's fine. These angles also alpha is equal to then beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. Did you understand? Here differentiate only for the what is the answer? Differentiate only for the axial distance. Understand? Like this A is equal to B not equal to C, but the angles also same for 90 degrees. Understand? So this system is known as for tetragonals. Like these values. So like this value for A equal to B, like it's this value for A equal to B, like A equal to B. This C not equal to this one. Understand? Okay, like this value for alpha is equal to beta, then equal to value for gamma values. So also for 90 degrees. Understand? So this system is known as for tetragonals. Understand? So next, another one case for hexagonals. Okay, hexagonal. Okay, so hexagonals or A equal to B then not equal to C values. Understand? Axial distance two axial distance perpendicular to each other. Now third one is not equal to another. Understand? Otherwise the angles value for alpha is equal to beta for 90 degree, then gamma is equal to 120 degree. Understand? Like this is the hexagonal structures. The hexagon means like is a hexagon, top and bottom side. There are 6 items in this cell. like in two base center atoms, like these structures for hexagonal structures, like distance value for A, then B and C values. Like this, A, B and C values. The distance, the angle value for alpha, then beta's value for 90 degrees, then gamma, that is value for gamma for 120 degree. You understand? Like this system is known for hexagonal. Understand? Hexagonal crystal systems. Understand? What are the conditions? A equal to B, then not equal to C. A equal to B, then not equal to C. The angle alpha beta is equal to 90 degree, then gamma not equal to 90 degree for 120 degree. Understand? So this system is known as for hexagonal. Understand? Next one, sixth one for trigonals. See, the trigonals, A equal to B equal to C. Understand? That means axial distance is also perpendicular to each other. Otherwise, the angle alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma not equal to 90 degree. Understand? So, for example, in cubic systems, you know that then A equal to B equal to C, then alpha equal to beta equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree for cubic system. Then A equal to B equal to C, the alpha equal to beta equal to gamma not equal to 90 degree is known as trigonals. Understand? Like these structures, usually you know that. Like this, A, then B, then C. This is also same distance, axial distance. That is also small cross corrections. Because angle not equal 90 degrees. You can understand. It is not equal to 100. Understand? That is why A is equal to B equal to C. Understand? So, by the angle alpha, then beta, then gamma, they are not equal to 90 degrees. So, this system is called trigonals. Understand? Next, to the another one type of crystal system, for seventh one. Or cubic systems. The cubic systems, A equal to B equal to C, then alpha is equal to beta equal to gamma, its value for equal to 90 degree. You understand? So that system is known as for cubic systems. So like this value for cubic systems, that is value for A equal to B equal to C. You understand? A equal to B equal to C, axial distance or perpendicular to each other. Understand? Right, understand? Like this value for alpha, then beta, then gamma, so then equal to 90 degrees. Understand? Like this system is known as for cubic crystals or cubic systems. Right, understand? Next, go to the another topic. Bravais lattice. Bravais lattice. The Bravais, there are 14 type of phase lattice. This 7 type of crystal systems. So, like this is known as for Bravais lattice. Okay. So the Bravais lattice differentiate by the 3 or 4 type of planes. For examples, that is value for that is a simple cubics AC, then PCC, then FCC, then otherwise called for base center. Base center. Understand? So SC means for a simple cubic. Okay, simple cubic means for like this only corner of atoms. Okay, like is only for corner of items. Like is the 8 corner of this cube. We have the 8 corner of 8 corners. Each corner is occupying for 1 items. That is only for corner of items. Understand? Like this structure is known as for simple cubic. Understand? Next is the body center cubic structures. The body center cubic structures is having for the simple cubic structures. Like is a simple cubic. You can understand. There are the 8 corner of items. You can understand? 8 corner of items. Additionally, 1 atoms in the center of the cubic sets. We mix it. Understand? Like is the center of atoms. Okay, this like is the center of atoms. Okay, so like this structure is known as for body center cubic structure, BCC. The other one structure is for FCC, face center cubic structures. Understand? Face means for there are 6 number of faces. Understand? So first of all, you fill for corner of atoms. There are 8 corner of atoms in this cubic structure. 8 corner of atoms. I can understand. So next, face center. Each face, there are 6 faces in the cubic. Understand? Each face occupying for the 1 atoms. This is the center of bottom face, center of on the top face, the side face, okay, front face and back face. Understand? So this structure is known as for face center cubic structures. Understand? The next one, another one structure for base center cubic. Okay, base center cubic. So the cubic structures. Understand? There are 2 base. Understand? Like is the base 1, then base 2. Basically filled for corner of atoms. 8 corner of atoms. Right? Understand? Additionally, occupying the 2 base centered atoms. Additionally, occupying the 2 base centered atoms. Okay, like this structure is known as the base center cubic structures. Understand? So this Bravais lattice involved the differentiate by the 14 type of crystal planes by the 7 type of crystals. Understand? We know that for 7 type of crystals, we know that for first one for simple cubic, first one for triclinic, then second one for monoclinic, then orthorhombic. That you understand. Then another one for what's the case. Then fourth one for tetragonal, hexagonal, sixth one for trigonal, then seventh one for cubic. Understand? So the triclinic having only single possibilities, single systems. For example, simple cubic only. Then monoclinic is having the 2 crystal planes. First is a single cubic, then base center cubic. Okay. Then orthorhombic having the 4 planes. Okay. Simple cubic, body center cubic, then face center cubic, and what's the like? Base center cubic. That you understand. Then tetragonals and hexagonals. Okay. Tetragonals and hexagonals. This is also for same point of view. Tetragonals having for simple cubic and that's a BCC only, body center cubic only. The hexagonal only for simple cubic. Then trigonals also simple cubic. The cubic also for simple cubic, then body center cubic and face center cubic. Understand? Like this guy for 3 systems. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Understand? 12, 13 and 14. Understand? Like this 40 number of crystal planes. You understand? Possible phase lattice by the 7 type of crystals. That is known as for Bravais lattice. Let you understand? Okay. Thank you.